Next, we are going to learn an interesting thing in Google Sheets. That is how to merge or how to concatenate one particular cell with a sentence. So, first of all, what is a sentence? We have learned in the lower grades also. When I'm talking about a sentence is a text, string, or a sequence of characters. You cannot perform operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on it. So whenever we are talking about text, they are totally different as compared to numbers. On numbers, we are able to apply the operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But when I'm talking about text, definitely these particular mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions, cannot be performed it. However, you can still join the string by using the ampersand character, that is nothing but the and sign. Now, when you add two strings, the process of adding two strings, it is called as concatenation. Now, how we will be doing this particular part? Now, I will be directly showing you the theory part first. Click the cell where you want the result to be displayed. So over here, suppose if I type over here, 200 is the multiplication of two numbers. So I've already selected the cell. In this cell, I want the result. Type the formula equal to cell. So I will be typing equal to and then I'm selecting the cell. The cell it is nothing but F2. And then I'm giving a space over there and then ampersand the message to be displayed. So I'm typing ampersand over here one more time, equal to, a space is there, ampersand, and in double quotes is the multiplication of two numbers, with closing it and just press enter. As soon as you press enter, you are clearly able to see 200 is the multiplication of two numbers. So 200 is nothing but one of the numbers and is the multiplication of two numbers. It is nothing but I have merged two things. So with the help of this particular part, that is cell number and the message, you are able to merge text formulas. That means you are able to merge a text with a formula that you have already used. So this is the formula, and over here 200 is the formula and is the multiplication of two numbers. It is nothing but it is the text that I will be displaying over there.